Heads up, Power BI users! DAX user-defined functions, UDFs, are now generally available, making them a core part of Power BI's semantic models and enterprise-scale analytics. Here's what you need to know. Reusable, discoverable DAX building blocks. Write a calculation once and reuse it across measures, calculated columns, and visuals. UDFs help reduce duplicated logic, improve maintainability, and support more consistent reporting. With documentation comments, typed parameters, and IntelliSense support, functions become easier to understand, test, and share across teams. AI-ready business logic. Because DAX UDFs are first-class model objects with typed signatures and descriptions, tools like Copilot can discover and invoke them more effectively. This provides AI with a trusted, well-defined API into your business logic, rather than relying on inferred DAX expressions. Simple function creation and reuse. Functions can be defined once and called throughout your model. UDFs can even call other UDFs, allowing you to create modular, layered calculations that are easier to maintain and scale. Enterprise governance and collaboration. Store UDFs as TMDL files and manage them through Git repositories. Teams can build shared libraries of approved business logic, enforce standards, track versions, and reduce logic drift across semantic models. New GA capabilities. General availability introduces web modeling support, optional parameters, enhanced type hints for greater flexibility and runtime safety, and the ability to create and edit UDFs directly in model view within Power BI Desktop. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.